telling my whole business and shit. This shit was wild. Shout out to my professor. Shout out shout out to everyone who's fucked up like me.
That makes sense. Come on. Say that again.
It's like if you're right or right, wrong, I could have been right. So I feel right because I could have been wrong. I'm sorry because
hey, I know I fucked up again like they say I would. Stay your lead, but I'll never forget you like the Alamo or the Twin Towers. Life is too short while we fight over higher powers. Love is a dangerous game of warfare. Modern, outdated, we act out, don't stare. Bear with me, my mental's out of reach. Fuck the pills, no skills I can't be teach. In and out of blacking out, just wish I was normal. Can't take care of me, I can't take care of you. I need electrotherapy, I flew over that cuckoo's nest. What a mess, I love adding the stress. Manifest destiny, why is life testing me? Wanna hug you again, I need you right next to me. Be good is what you're always speaking. I'm buzzing too hard, constantly overthinking and over drinking. Speaking again, I may never know, so I guess I had to cry just to make this flow. Told you to run away, the door got slammed. Then I woke up with glass stuck up in my hand. Damn, simp boy hours right here, sad boy hours, hashtag. It's all fucked up. It's all fucked.
I could be wrong right now. I could be wrong right now.